Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Lots been going on over the weekend, right? Let's look at the charts. All right. So yesterday, 6 p.m. market opened about a 200-point gap. Open, did a pump, filled half or more than half of the gap. Still left a little bit. Let's see here. Still a little bit left of the gap. Obviously did a dump down. So let's look at the higher time frame here real quick. This is the gap. It opened, I believe it opened all the way down here. So this is where it closed on Friday. This is where it opened. It pumped up, filled some of the gap, still has some part of the imbalance still left. And then completely dumped. Then completely dumped. But it did, at 6 o'clock, it did pump. And then it ripped all the way down. Let's see how far. Let's measure this. So it got right back up here, and then it dumped a total of 425 points. Damn. 425 points. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? How's everybody's weekend? 425 points. It tried to go up, but obviously completely rejected. A lot of negative news over the weekend. Obviously, Iran got bombed to shit, which is a good thing because those people are horrible. Those Islamic people, not the Persians, of course. Those guys are always screaming death to America, and we had to take them out. Yeah, man. But good morning, guys. Good morning. This is gonna be interesting. Volatility is pretty high right now, to be honest. ATR, the average trading range, has been stuck at about, let's see, 30. Yeah, it's been like 36, and it's normally about 8-10 points. And then for London, it's usually about 10-16 points. And right now it's at 32. So if it gets over 50, guys, I highly recommend today to size down because it's going to be big ass ranges. And 9:30, this shit's going to really move. It's going to really move. I don't know which direction, but we'll see. We'll play by ear. All right. Let's see. Good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, get that out the way. I appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe so you can always catch me live and learn about the NASDAQ. So let's see here. Does this even have data? What's going on here? That's a problem. Let's do that. Okay. All right. A little more information. A little bit more. Okay. So yeah, we are under all the EMAs, under VWAP. So obviously we are bearish. Bearish means the market is in a current downtrend, especially after war news. But it's not really war news. It was just U.S. strikes. The president can order strikes, guys. That doesn't necessarily mean it's war, but he has the executive action to make strikes, especially people who are threatening to kill us. What's your trading strategy today? The same strategy it is every day. We wait for that 15-minute orb, and we wait for the market to show us, its cards. It doesn't change. It doesn't change because it's the world is going sideways. The strategy I've back tested for over 5 years. So, there's been wars, there's been strikes. That, overall, you always stick to the same strategy. You don't strategy hop, guys. You don't do that. What you can do is adjust to the market conditions. So if you see that it looks like a kind of scalp day, and you see that it's like not fully delivering, you could close out the trade early and just end it green. You don't have to go for the full TP, things like that. But the strategy itself, you never want to change that. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. The strategy itself, you don't change. We stick to the game plan. We wait. We don't predict. We wait to see what the market wants to do, how it reacts at 9:30. So for you guys that are tuning in and have never tuned in before, welcome. I do play a couple sound effects. Whenever it's pumping, of course, you're going to hear
Green Giant.
Right? And then when it's dumping, you're going to hear the other one.
Tactical nuke incoming!
And yeah, that's when it's clearly going down, like straight down. So we are gonna get ready. I hope you guys are awake. It's gonna be interesting. ATR is at 32 already, and it's pre-market London session. It's been stuck at like 30, 36 since the market opened at 6 p.m. on Sunday. So all right, so market dropped a total of, from Friday till today, 425 points, which is insane. If it drops a lot more, let's look at the daily and see if it hits a circuit breaker. If you guys don't know what a circuit breaker is, the market will halt if it drops more than 7% from the previous day. And they will hold the market for 10 minutes if something like that happens. I don't think we're gonna get that. This is the daily time frame, guys. So you can see kind of the halt, the drop there. There's obviously still a bit of an imbalance. Look at this weird ass candle. Is this okay? Is this the same on mine, or let me look at the weekly. Yeah, look at how these candles opened and closed. So a little strange there. Okay, random. There's just like a random ass. Is that a candle, or is that like, I don't even know. That's crazy. Yeah, dumped, tapped EMA 200 on the daily. In my range, guys. This is a big area of support, but it's not impossible for this thing to dump and try to fill this down here. VWAP on the daily is at 23,000. So yeah, that'll hit a circuit breaker for sure if it gets down here. I think. I don't know, but we'll just wait and see. Risk accordingly, guys. Let's go back to the hourly. Let me fix this. All right, so we're looking at the hourly time frame here. Currently, it's in a downtrend, as you can see here. Downtrend, right? Still got some time. We're gonna wait until 9:30. See the open, and then we're gonna wait 15 minutes after that. So 9:45, we're gonna set our 15-minute orb, which is the opening range breakout. We're gonna set the range of that 15-minute, and then we're gonna wait for it to break out. And that's what we do pretty much every day. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to ask. I'm gonna put a poll in the chat. You guys tell me what you think is gonna really happen today. You guys think it's gonna dump down to hell when the market opens, or is this shit gonna start pumping? Remember, the market usually does the opposite of what people think it's gonna do. So if the masses think it's gonna dump, it usually pumps. I mean, I'm just saying, I've noticed. But let me do the poll here. Pump or dump? All right, poll set. Y'all vote. Let's see. Make sure you guys hit the like button, and don't forget to do that. Today, obviously, we're gonna trade the eval. I don't know. I think I might just do 5 micros. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'll play it by ear. Let me get the copy trader. Did I trade this account yet? I don't know. I don't know if I want to trade that account. Which account is that? That's an Apex account. Yeah, I guess we could trade it. I don't know. I haven't traded that account since I made the 30,000 on it. And they said it was a violation because I scaled Apex. Apex changed their rules. If you guys haven't heard, they changed their rules. They're actually decent now. They have end of day drawdown. They changed their rules around, so, and they have like a 90% off. So you guys, if you guys are learning and you want to start trading, Apex is a pretty good tool to use right now to learn. And maybe pass the evaluation with me and then get funded and then get a payout. That would be great, right? Let's see what happens. So right now we got a 50-50 on the pump. I forgot I should have put sideways. It could go sideways too. You never know. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see. 31 ATR. Yeah, ATR is pretty good. It's pretty volatile right now. For pre-market, yeah, I gotta be careful. This thing is crazy. It is 32 right now. 32 ATR when it's normally about 15. All right, so I'm gonna mark out some levels since we got about 14 minutes left until the New York Open. If you guys haven't already, let's mark the London high. London high. Let me take these old indicators out of here. And we don't confuse anything. I'm gonna take this one out. And the London low is right about there. That's 24,476, London low. And we should probably mark the Asia high, right? The Asia high was, let me move this one. Asia high 24,901.50, give or take. And damn, I have a lot of freaking blue lines, bro. Forget to take them off or what? Oh, it's possible because I loaded more days. So yeah. All right. I need to start deleting some of this shit. This shit looks like a freaking a damn I don't know, barcode or something, but sideways. Let me just take all this shit off. My God, that's all the days that I've been trading, and then I just mark it, and then I don't erase the other ones. Oh my God. Okay. I need to get used to deleting this shit, man. Whoa. Damn, David. I'm doing a little cleanup here. All right, I think that was mostly it. All right, so we got the important levels marked out. Oh, shit. Oops. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's see what the market wants to do on the 1 hour. Let me look at ES, which is the S&P 500 on my other computer here. ES is under VWAP also. The 4 hour time frame, it's kind of going sideways right now, but it is bearish. And then on the 15-minute time frame, it's going sideways. So yeah, let's see. I mean, overall, it looks like it tried to go up and completely rejected down. It has a little gap that it didn't fill and a little gap down here, but it's obviously closer to this one, so it's possible it could go lower, guys. If I were to guess, you know, if I were to guess, it wants to fill that little gap before it fills this one all the way up here. So let's see. Let's see what happens. I feel like today just might be one of those red days. It's gonna be a
Tactical nuke incoming!
It's gonna be bloody red today. Let's see. %67 dump. All right, so everybody's like thinking the same thing as me, but we're gonna wait, and we're not gonna stick to one bias, guys. Even though we think it's gonna go down, it might pop up before it pops down. So we just gotta wait to see what it does. Yeah, I'm eating an Oreo because I need some sugar. I'm like, I feel like a little slow, so I need some sugar. I feel like I'm in Mortal Kombat.
Finish him!
Long day yesterday. An Oreo with coffee. Breakfast of champions. Breakfast of champions. Alright. Alright, we're getting closer. About 8 minutes. Did you guys mark out the levels? You want me to do it again here? London low is a 24,476. London high 24.73. Yeah, 24,739. Sorry, 0.75. And the Asia high is 24,901.50. All right, guys, almost there. Almost New York Open. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see how crazy this shit opens. This shit's gonna go. Wah, 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 wah. It do not. Highly recommend. Do not enter at 9:30. Oh, by the way, guys, we forgot the most basic thing. There is news at 10 a.m. Red folder PMI. All right, most basic. I did look at it earlier. I just didn't look at it with you guys. So just make sure, keep in mind, there's a red folder at 10 o'clock and an orange folder at 10 o'clock. So at 10 a.m., the new 1 hour candle at 10 a.m., it will be additionally volatile. So if you're in a trade and 10 o'clock marks, you could get stopped out. You could, or you could get TP'd, either what depends on the direction it goes in. And then Tuesday tomorrow, no news. But, there could be news updates by our US president about Iran. So you guys got to be risk off this week, because any news that comes from CENTCOM, which is Central Command, about any attack or anything like that will move this market. Um, so you guys got to just risk down this week because of this news. It's gonna be very volatile. It's gonna be hard. Like 1 second it could be pumping, then news comes out, it completely rips, and you could have slippage. Slippage means it hits your stop loss and the order is not filled at 100. It's filled at 500. So instead of losing 100, you lost 500. So, and that's what happens when the candle moves so fast, the order can't get filled. Things like that happen, guys. So you got to prepare for all that kind of stuff. But yeah, Wednesday we have ADP non-farm payroll. Yeah, non-farm employment change, whatever. Some more PMI at 10, 8:15, 10. That might affect us. Thursday we got more unemployment claims, 8:30. And Friday we have a lot of red folders at 8:30. So a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on here. All right. Got about 3 minutes and 30 seconds until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Hope you guys are ready. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Come on. Hit that like button. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I might miss the exact openings, but I'm sorry. It's a little bit of a emergency here. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry. I'm good. All right, so it looks like it pumped up and it's going down now. Let's wait 15 minutes, guys. Let's wait the 15-minute orb. This is gonna act erratic. Just keep an eye on it, okay? Don't take any trades. I don't recommend it. Whoa, rips. It's gonna whipsaw. It's gonna just do crazy ass moves. So look at this shit. My goodness, right now. This shit is ripping. Oh my God. You see? Everybody thought it was gonna go down. This thing starts ripping up out of nowhere. So close to fill this imbalance down here, and it freaking rips all the way to fill this little one and this. You just never know, man. This shit is crazy. You just never know. With the market, it could go either way. It is massive.
Green giant, green giant.
Let's see. Let me look at the higher time frames. Yeah, the higher time frames looks like a big ass pullback. So let's see.
Green giant, green giant. Green Green Giant. Green Giant. Green Giant. Green Giant.
192 points already. That little green candle is pumping. It's not that little. Look at this thing on the 1 hour time frame. This thing is ripping to the moon right now. Obviously, I already took the London high and the previous day's low. I think it's going for that major imbalance possibly. Let's see what it does here at super trend and EMA 50 on the 1 hour time frame. I gotta make this a little smaller. This thing is massive. It just ripped the whole move down. It's finally doing its pullback. These pullbacks are insane. This 5-minute candle will close in 50 seconds. ATR is currently 30. When this closes, I assume it's gonna jump to like 40 or more. Let's see. Let's see what it calculates. Yeah, today is a little wild. Little wild today. Wow. This shit is just ripping. Wow.
Green Giant.
Insane. All right, candle's closing now in 5 seconds. Let's see what the ATR jumps to. And it is now 46 from 30 to freaking 46. That is crazy. Oh man, let's see what happens, guys. This is insane. It has ripped up. That candle ripped 244 points. That's for now the opening range, the orb for now, and it's gonna be possibly bigger. 244 points, guys. Insane. I'm not gonna copy trade more than the eval. We're doing the eval only. Yeah, this shit is crazy. I'm gonna do 5 micros on the on the eval, just cause. Yeah, this shit is wild right now, and it gets bigger, and it's getting bigger. Yeah, this is getting crazy right here. This is getting crazy. Let's see, right here to right here. Currently at 251 points for the market orb from the New York Open. This is a massive pump, guys. Imagine taking a long right here when it opens. Woo! Generational wealth. Generational wealth if you took a long there. This thing keeps ripping. It keeps ripping. Don't worry, guys. The market just opened. Relax. Do not chase. Okay? Just relax. We're going to look for the best trade possible. We're at 272. Woof. It just popped again. Hey, you see? You see what I told you guys? You see what I told you guys? 60% dump. and it always does the opposite of what everybody think it's gonna do. You know, everybody thought market opens it's gonna dump. This thing ripped to the moon. Yo, I'm telling you guys, when I say something is not for no reason. I've seen this shit happen. I've seen it. Everybody thinks it's gonna go down, this shit goes to the moon. It always does the opposite of what the masses think it's gonna do. So if most people think it's going down, that's just going up. If most people think it's going up, it's going down. Rarely does it align. Rarely. It just filled a nasty 4-hour imbalance. Um, it's still missing the new week opening gap and Asia highs right here, guys, that I did mark it out. The Asia high was this blue line right here. I'm going to erase this because this is just the measurement, which is about 272 points currently. I'm going to take that out of here. But yeah, what a pump. What a pump. Yeah. It tapped EMA 50 on the 1 hour. It's obviously getting pushed down. Let's see what happens. Remember, there's red folder news at 10 a.m. So let's try not to get caught in that. Let's see. This candle is closing now. It just hit did it hit? No, it didn't hit the swing high over here, but it got very close. Very close to tapping that. It could still reverse. This could flip. We have 20 seconds for this 5-minute candle here. So let's see what happens. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. We're gonna wait for the orb, okay? Let's see. All right. Last 5 minutes before the orb is set. Last 5 minutes. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Let's see. Oh, it's going for that. It's going for that swing high. It might be going for that whole imbalance right there. It want to take out this high and maybe fill the imbalance of the new week. Maybe, or not. We'll see. Yeah, there's still a little bit missing there. A little bit right here. Or it could start the pullback. I mean, it did take out a massive amount of orders. People are like, yo, I'm going to sell it right here. Maybe big sellers all up here. So who knows? It obviously got rejected here again. It tried to go past here and it got pulled down. So what happens? It went back up here. It is getting pulled down. EMA 50. Probably a lot of sellers right there at EMA 50. The last 50 candles on the 1 hour time frame. Moving average of that. So yep. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Let's see what happens. Here it goes. It's going back for round 2. For round 3. ATR is at 49. So get ready. I might have to move TP and stop loss to 100 points just to stay in the trade. So that would be risking, with 1 micro, that would be risking $200 on one trade, okay? To make $200. If it comes to that, let's see. Let's see how the trade plays out to give us the best chance of winning the trade. With one micro, I'm not gonna be risking. I might be risking 1,000. So we'll see. We shall see. Orb is about to be set. Make sure you guys set it on your side. I'm going to take out the rectangle and start making it early. This is the orb currently, unless this gets above this or gets below here. But that's the orb. I'm going to set it on these other computers and adjust it if need be. All right. Dun, dun, dun. All right. I think the orb is kind of set. This thing could range all day today, man. This shit could range just because that big ass pump in the morning. Yeah, I don't know. It ripped right through the support pivot, ripped through the daily low there, the swing highs. Shit. I don't know. I don't know. Let's look at it. You want to look at the daily? Let's see how the daily's looking. Oh shit. It's gonna mess up my order. I might have to fix it. But let me look at the daily. Yeah, I think it might want to fill this crazy ass, you know, whatever the hell that is. It might want to go up. It just tapped EMA 200. All right, set your orb, guys. Set your orbs. All right. Chop fest now. The only concern with taking a long here, I don't know, guys, is the swing high of Asia. Might do a pullback when it taps that. Let's see. Let's see. It's breaking out of orb on ES right now. So if they both break out at the same time, I'll take the long. I'm just probably going to have to adjust my stop loss. So instead of 50 points, 100 points. Because the ATR is 49. So we need to give it a little more wiggle room to survive. I could get killed either way, but it might work out. It might work out. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it wicked out of the orb on ES, which is the S&P 500, but it's not closing yet. Well, we got 3 minutes and 30 seconds, so let's give it time. Let's give it time. We do have a pivot right here, a pivot point. We have this imbalance, which is a magnet, so let's see. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't rip too far out of orbs. We don't want it to go too big either. We are above all the EMAs. All the EMAs except for EMA 50. Obviously, we got to break through that one, but it has tapped it multiple times already. I think we're above all the 5-minute EMAs and VWAP. So it does look like it's in an uptrend. Same thing on ES. So if I'm going to take anything, it's going to be a long. But I need to see a breakout on ES and on NQ. Let's see what happens on the 15-minute time frame. It is tapping EMA 200 and got rejected. Let's see if it breaks through that. For it to break through that, it has to break out of orb. So let's see. Let's see, guys. And hopefully we're not stuck in the trade. Not stuck in the trade of that 10 a.m. red folder news. And we can get close out or hit TP before that. Keep in mind, 10 o'clock, red folder and orange folder, same time. Risk accordingly, guys. Risk accordingly. Okay, it's breaking out of ES here. And obviously trying to break out of orb here on NQ. Let's see. We got 1 minute and 40 seconds. And it's about to hit that damn swing high, man. I don't want it to. Right there. Stay right there. Don't go any higher. Oh, shit. ES is ripping. It's going to hit it. It's going to hit it. This is going to be crazy. All right. Oh, it's pulling back now. ES is breaking out strongly. Come on. 1 minute, guys. Stay patient. If it breaks here, I will take the long. Let's see. I need to see it. I need to see ES green strong. Okay, 40 seconds. 45 seconds. Remember, there's a 20-second delay on YouTube, so make sure you're looking at your chart. This is not financial advice, okay? But we're going to do 1 eval and 5 micros. Let's see. We're going to close. I'm sorry. We're going to go long on this breakout here in 20 seconds. If it freaking closes, yeah, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. And
order filled.
All right. I'm in. Let's see what happens here. I am going to move this under here to protect it. We're going to do 4, and then I'm going to leave a runner. We're going to do 4. Sell
Order
4
submitted.
there. And leave a runner up here. All right. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. I have a good feeling about this, but you know, anything could happen. It did kind of break out of orb. I took the long here. It still hasn't tapped to Asia high, which is weird. Or maybe it did and I didn't mark it right. But yeah, I've moved my stop 100 points just to take care of the swings. If it wants to take me out, it takes me out, man. It is what it is. But if you leave it at 50 points, ATR is 51 right now. You could get just, you know, out of the regular swings, you could get cooked. All right, let's see. It did break out of ES and NQ. So I have a strong feeling it wants to go a little higher, hopefully. Let's go. Let's go. Reverse. Reverse. Let's get a
Green Giant.
All right, could get killed today. I don't know. We'll see. But let's get a reversal here, please. Come on, you're so close to the huge magnet right here and the swing high. Just take it out. Don't come down. Jeez. It didn't take it out. It didn't take out that swing high, man. Look at it. It's right here. And it's like 2 ticks away. Yeah. No. Oh, no. Yeah. Not good, guys. Not good. If it kills us here, I'll look for another trade. But, I mean, it seemed like a good, it did it, you know, it could be overextended, obviously, from the EMAs and VWAP. It could be overextended, but there's a lot of volatility. So yeah, if you don't move your stop to 24,790, you might not survive this freaking red candle, you know? That's another reason why I did 100 points instead of 50. Just because 50 points would have knocked out right there on this damn red candle. And it still could knock me out, don't get it wrong. That was 76 points to the downside. I'm about to get cooked.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see if this thing flips up or if it just wants to go back to test the EMAs, which is possible too. Let's see. Yeah, if it gets under here, it kind of invalidates the trade. Invalidates it. That's why I put the stop there. Not because of money solely, because if it gets under here, guys, then it validates the trade for me. That it might want to come all the way back down here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. You got to give it wiggle room to move. Like if you put a 50-point stop loss with the ATR at 51 or 52, you're not going to have enough wiggle room to stay in the trade to see if it plays out in your favor. So I put 100, I think I put 100 and something points, 110 points maybe, or less, 105, I don't know. Let's see. Come on, flip.
Green Giant.
Flip to the upside. Flip it. Come on. Get back up here. Get back up here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's flipping back to the upside, guys. There he goes. No, it just can't do it. Might be cooked, guys. Might be cooked. If that candle didn't flip to the upside, yeah, it's going to come down lower before it pumps up again. Not good for us right here. This is not good. It's getting completely rejected off the EMA 50 on the 1 hour time frame here. And we're about to jump into the next 1 hour candle, which there's red folder news. So unless that red folder rips up, I'm probably going to get stopped out. So let's see. Let's see.
Green Giant.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, go a little higher. I know I'm asking for a lot. You already went up 200 something points. Do another 200 points. Let's go. All right, that new 1 hour candle is about to open, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens. I might be cooked with the news. I'm stuck in that red folder. I don't know if you guys are too, but yeah, this could not be good, or good could be good. We don't know yet. Let's see which way this thing wants to go. Let's hope it goes to the upside. Come on. Rip to the upside. Let's rip to the upside. I'm cooked. Doesn't look like it wants to go up. This is some bad news. Oh, we might be cooked. Might be cooked. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh.
No. Wait. Wait.
Green Giant. Green Giant. Green Giant.
Guys, I think we survived the freaking drawdown. I think this thing wants to rip now. We have survived the drawdown by putting the stop loss at about 100 points. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. Get up there.
Green Giant.
It looks like my entry is the resistance. Every time it taps it, it just gets rejected. My God, it needs to break that top wick. If it doesn't get up there, I mean, ES is pumping. We need NQ to follow. There we go. Wow. Finally. Finally seeing some green here. Okay. Let's go. Uh-oh, it just hit that Asia high. Oh, boy. Oh, big boy sellers there. That thing got pushed. It got pushed down hard. Oh, man. It's like it totally ran out of juice. That's not good. It literally just tapped it. It just tapped it and got pushed down. Finally, is it gonna rip now, or is this shit just gonna fucking chop right by the orb breakout? Come on, man, fill that imbalance. Just freaking fill it. So difficult. I mean, yeah, at this point I might get chopped out just because this thing is chopping now. It's going completely sideways. It's not, it doesn't want to rip to the upside. It tried, it tapped Asia high. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it wants to go up. It looks like a shooting star, but it's struggling. It's struggling a lot right at that freaking imbalance. I get it. It's a strong imbalance. It's a strong amount of sellers right there, I guess. The bulls need to step it up. Where are the buyers at? Where's the billionaire buyers? Come on. Let's get it. Let's get a nice little rip to my TP there. At least sell 4. Come on. At least sell 4, please. Come on, let's get that, and then we'll leave 1 runner. We'll leave 1 runner. Let's see to the next top part, but if this thing is just grinding to the upside now because of that huge move. There we go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Come on, you gotta let the trade play out, guys. You gotta let it play out. I do have auto trail to kick in at 40 points, but let's see. Let's see if we can hit this damn TP, man. Or at least the 4 contracts that I put there in the blue. It is a battle right here. It's either gonna rip up or rip down at this point. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Finally, we're making some room to the upside here. Come on. Push it. Push it. Let's go. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. Let's get up there. Feel that imbalance, bro. Stop playing around. Stop playing. I'm not closing this shit out at 200 bucks. I'm not doing it. I'll close it at 400, not 200. Come on. Oh my God. Come on, man. Pump it. Get up there. Get up there. I believe in you, NASDAQ. You could do it. Can you take me higher? Let's get that.
Green Giant.
Let's get that.
Green Giant.
Let's go. Oh my God. The moment I play the Green Giant, it's like, no. Oh, come on, man. So close. Just a little more. The struggle is real. The struggle is real, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is having a very hard time getting up there. Very hard time. At least hit the pivot point, man. Damn. The good thing is it is making higher highs. So the next candle is constantly getting above the next wick. Let's see if this one can push it. Let's see if this one can do it. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a massive, like, crazy wick to the upside. Come on. Let's get some crazy wick action to the top. There we go. Oh my God, don't run out of juice here. Don't run out of juice here. Don't run out of juice here. Get up there. Come on. Come on. There we go.
Let him cook.
There we go.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Let me put this up for you guys because I forgot this. There we are. That's where we're at. We're at 300. We're at 300, 325, 340, 380. Come on. Hey, auto trail is kicked in. We're safe at 50 bucks. If it comes down and takes me out, dude, bro, that's it. That's it. Like, yo, fuck this. Market is just not delivering, man. Oh my God, I got it. What's it? The 380 almost? Yo, that shit better not come down and stop me out and then continue to the freaking moon. All right, there we go. Auto trail. Hey, let's go. Okay, we're safe at 100. We're safe. At least we're getting 100. Oh no. You better hit T. Oh my God. Come on. Don't do this to me, NASDAQ. Please tap the freaking TP, bro. I might have put it just too high up. Or not. Okay, we're at 102. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. So we're guaranteed at least 100 bucks, guys. At least 100 bucks. Oh my God, bro. I can't believe this shit. Oh no. Oh no. Let's get some more pump action, please. Come on, get a little higher. I know I'm asking for a lot. I know I'm asking for a lot, man. I know I'm asking for a lot. Should I put 4, like... No, we're just gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it. Whatever happens, if I lose, I lose. If I just stay at 100, I stay at 100. But if I get it, All right, I was talking too much shit. And this shit didn't move. Wait a minute. We need to put one stop here. One stop. Market stop.
Order submitted.
This shit has not changed. I don't know why. All right, well, I'm trailing now, guys. I'm trailing. I am trailing with 1 micro left. What are we at? Let's see. We closed at 417. 417 with the 4 micros. We got one runner. If this keeps running, we're going to keep trailing it. This down here, I don't even know why this did not switch to 1, but I don't know. My settings are messed up. Let's see if I can handle the... Yeah, it's probably going to stop me out. Nah, it's going to stop me out there. Don't do it. Keep ripping to the upside. Oh, it's too volatile, guys. Way too volatile. Yeah, it's going to take me out. Unless this shit just rips out of nowhere. But, yeah, no, it's going to take me out. It's going to take me out. Oh, no. Oh, my God, I'm surviving. I'm surviving these little freaking movements here. Yo, this is crazy. Oh, my goodness. Come on, let's get a
Green
green
giant.
Let's get one. Let's get another one. Let's go. Let's go. I had faith it was going to tap it. It literally just tapped it. Look at where that exit is. Right at the tip, bro. Shit. Perfect placement. Uh-oh. Is it going to tap me? Is it? It's super close. Super close. It's going to tap me out. Oh, yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. There's no way it doesn't tap me out. Oh, my God.
Order canceled.
Yeah. It tapped me out. I was about to say, yo, this should just rip to the upside. Bro, I would have. Anyways. 474. 474. I know it's not a lot of money, guys. I know it's not a lot, but it's 474. Not a bad start to Monday. Not a bad start. $474. We had to go through some serious trauma right here. I did have my stop right under these lows. So I knew that if it went under these lows, I didn't want to be in the trade anymore, guys. I gave it enough wiggle room because ATR was at 51 at the time. I took the long when it broke out of here. It broke out on ES. If you could hold on to the drawdown that happened here, you obviously hit TP where I had my partial taken out, and then you saw me trail. It did take me out. The final contract, I tried to leave a runner, but this shit is just way too choppy. It's grinding. It's grinding up because of this big, massive green candle. But, yeah, that's pretty much a wrap. That is a wrap for the trade today. There it goes. Of course, it hits my stop. It stops me, my last little runner, and then it rips to the freaking moon. That's just, you know, that's just my luck. That's just my luck. But anyways, yeah, I managed to withstand this drawdown from here because I put a 100-point stop loss since ATR was over 51. It went down to 92 points. So it got very close to stopping me out, guys. I was at, so that's 92. I was like right here. I was like 103. 103 points. So if it would have stopped me out, then I probably didn't want to be in that trade anymore. But I was willing to lose. Look at this shit. Look at this. See? This was a little pullback. If you guys have noticed since I first started the stream, and I've gotten stopped out every time ATR is over 50, I've decided moving forward when it's 50 or higher, I move my stop to, instead of 50 points, 100 points. And if you've noticed, every time I've done that, most of the time I've made money. I haven't lost. Every time I had it at 50 points, I got cooked. So you see how the evolution of learning from your mistakes, you know, you learn from your losses, man. From the wins, you don't learn anything. But obviously, I've learned that when the ATR is this crazy, you got to have a 100-point stop loss, or 102 or 103 or whatever. So, yeah, there it goes. Look at that exit, though. On those 4 contracts, look at that exit, bro. That was a perfect exit. Right at the top of the wick, dude. And then obviously I got stopped out here in profit. This was my entry. So we got, so you guys want to see how many points I got on overall the trade. We got 53 points. 53 points, guys. I think that's pretty amazing. 53 points on that trade. And obviously took the long because we're looking at longs here. It broke out to the upside. It broke to the upside also on ES. It's a shooting star on the 15-minute, the 4-hour. So that's why I was looking for longs. We stayed patient. We didn't chase. We were able to hold this drawdown here. And obviously at the pivot point, it's getting a rejection there. But it did fill the imbalance. It filled the weekly imbalance. So everything is balanced out right now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Thank you for watching Trading with David 305. And watch me trade the NASDAQ. We ended at 474 on the eval. Didn't risk anything too crazy today just because a lot of volatility. And this thing could continue ripping up, guys. Or it could do a pullback to the EMAs. So just stay patient if you're looking for another trade. Don't chase. Make sure you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Have a good one, guys.